The nation is celebrating its 74th Republic Day today. The main function was held at Kartavya Path in New Delhi, from where President Draupadi Murmu led the nation in celebrating the Republic Day. Along with the rest of the nation, the 74th Republic Day was celebrated in several parts of Meghalaya. Governor Brigadier Retired B.D. Mishra unfurled the national flag and took the salute in Shillong. President Draupadi Murmu has said that India's intervention at various world forums making positive difference. The president addressed the nation yesterday on the eve of the 74th Republic Day. Guitar maker and musician Rising Bor Kurkalang was awarded Padma Shri Award in the field of art folk music category. The award was announced by the Ministry of Home Affairs on the eve of Republic Day on Wednesday. The Congress on Wednesday released its first list of 55 candidates for the upcoming assembly elections in Meghalaya. The president has fielded its Meghalaya unit chief Vincent H. Pala from the Sungai Saipung constituency.